Let's install it. So you can choose language. I'm going to use English version. Just choose the default setting. Finish. So now you should be able to launch your R here, and this is the R. The interface here, I've called this primitive. So let's install a more user-friendly integrated development environment, RStudio. Close this. So download RStudio desktop for Windows. I'm not sure whether they have RStudio for other operating systems. Let's have a look. Oh yes, they have RStudio for Mac OS, Linux. Let's install RStudio. My operating system is in Chinese, so you saw all Chinese characters here, but in your laptop it should be in English. So let's choose default setting. finish it. Then we can launch the RStudio. This one. Now we can kind of forget about R. R is kind of running in the background. So let's just choose. I already have some R code from the previous session, so I'm going to just close it. Okay, so that's the interface you have, and we're going to perform all programmings in here, and the R package is running behind the scenes. So in these windows you can code. Say I'm going to create an object, say this is one, and you choose it, you can run it. Then the object A is given a value of 1, so this A is 1. We can also use R as calculator. Let's say I want to calculate 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 raised to the power of 4, 16. R can, okay, let's create a vector. Say 4 by 1 vector. The first element is 1.8. 1.8. Second element is 3.14. Third element 4. Fourth element 88.169. 13. And let's choose the code. Run it. So now let's create object in here. So X vector, and let's see what X. So it give us the values, and we can sum these vectors. So add 1.1, 3.14, 4, 88, 1.13, we get 110. And let's look at length of this vector X, which is 5. So we have 5 elements here. So let's perform some sort of algebraic manipulation. 2 times x plus 3. So now 2 times the first element is 1.8 times 2, we get 3.6, plus 3 we get 6.6, so on and so forth for the other elements. So this is element-wise operations. R can deal with matrix very well. So let's create a matrix and call it M. I want this matrix to take value from 1 to 6 and has 2 rows. So let's run this. So now let's create a data matrix here, and this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can look at dimension. This is of M. So this is 2 rows, 3 columns. So 2 by 3, 2 by 3. We can transpose the M. So we should get it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. so on and so forth. Okay, this is the installation of RStudio and the basic of R.